Hello everyone and welcome to this review of the best online brokers in the USA. Which trading platform is right for you? Well, we'll be focusing on our top 5 picks from the many options available, and at the end you'll be able to choose for yourself which is best for you based on the ratings, pros and cons, and other features. At number 5, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers has a 4.8 rating out of 5. It is great for options traders, and when it comes to the fees, there are 0 fees on US stocks and ETFs. Also, there is a $0 account minimum, so you don't need to worry when you're starting. If you're thinking about fractional shares, it is available. When it comes to the pros and cons, on the bright side, it is a trading platform for different types of investors. There are various tools and resources to monitor investing activity and measure performance, and there are extensive investment offerings. On the flip side, the learning curve can be steep for beginners. There is a higher fee for broker-assisted trading and high minimum to earn interest on cash balance. At number 4, we have E-Trade from Morgan Stanley with a 4.8 rating, which of course is tied to Interactive Brokers, but often highlighted for its active trading features. It is best for active traders, and just like Interactive Brokers, you have an account minimum of $0 and a fee of $0 for US listed stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds and options. Fractional shares are not available, but here are the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, you have access to an extensive market research and trend analysis. It's a choice of different trading platforms and high additional asset protection. On the flip side, there are no fractional shares. There is a low APY on uninvested cash, and the platform does not guarantee uninterrupted market access. At number 3, we have Fidelity with a 4.9 rating out of 5 stars. It is best for long-term investing with an account minimum of $0. The fee as well is $0 for US stocks, ETFs, and options. And when it comes to fractional shares, yes, they do have as well. When it comes to the pros and cons, you have a wide range of investment options, vast educational materials, robo-advisory and human advisory services are available. On the flip side, there are no futures trading, no paper trading, and the trading platform can feel less intuitive than others on their list. At number 2, we have Webull. Webull comes with a 4.9 rating out of 5, which is of course tied with Fidelity, but often recognized for its focus on day traders. Of course, you guessed it, it's best for day traders. The account minimum is also $0 and the fee is $0 for stocks, ETFs, and options listed on UX exchanges. When it comes to fractional shares, yes, they have them. On the pros, you have minimal fees and no account minimum, access to the eNAP community, and a competitive APY on idle cash. On the flip side, with the cons, there is no in-house research, no human advisory services, and a separate app for crypto management. At number 1, we have Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab comes at 5 out of 5 stars and is best for an overall online broker. And you guessed it, the account minimum is $0 and fee for listed stocks, ETFs, options, and small mutual funds is also $0. Fractional shares are a yes, and the pros include a wide range of investment offerings, in-depth analysis from Schwab and third-party providers, and high additional asset protection of up to $600 million. On the flip side, with the cons, there is no crypto spot trading, the APY on uninvested cash is not competitive, and higher than average futures, future options, and over-the-counter fees. So there you have it, our top 5 picks of the best online brokers in the USA currently. Which would you be picking? Do let us know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.